Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Well, the Claude Code extension comes with many tools. For instance, we can see that it has file operations, which can perform read, write, edit, and for every operation, you can also see what kind of support it provides. For example, when it says read, it can read files from the file system, supporting images, PDFs, Jupyter notebooks. When it says write, it can create or overwrite files. When it says edit, it can make exact string replacement in files. And then it has got this notebook edit, which edits Jupyter notebook cells. It can also do search and discovery, execution in commands like bash and kill shell. Then we have the web and research, so it can perform web search, web fetch. It has got these task management and planning tools like to do write, task output, enter plan mode, which is like enter plan mode, which is like enter planning mode for complex implementations, exit plan mode, exit planning mode, and request user approval. Then it has got this user interaction, ask user question, ask questions with multiple choice options during execution. Then we have this IDE integration, MCP IDE get diagnostics, MCP IDE execute code. It has got the skills to execute specialized skills / commands like commit. As you can see, it says each tool has a specific use cases and Claude uses them throughout the conversation to help us with the tasks that we assign to him. Now, we will be exploring the ask user question. So what I'm trying to do over here is I'm making Claude as a life coach, and I'm asking a simple question. Help me learn how to excel professionally using only the ask user question tool. Let's go ahead and execute this. So here you can see that it has got certain categories like main goal, challenge, strengths, learning style. I can toggle them by using the back and forward keys on my keyboard. So here, let's go with the main goal, and under that you can see that it is asking me certain questions like what's your primary professional goal for the next 12 months? And for that it has given me certain options like 5 of them over here. Get promoted or advance in current role. Then if you press the down arrow key, it will go to the next one and make it the active selection. Master a new skill or technology, switch careers or industries, build stronger professional relationships, or you can also type your own. So it gives you that option as well. Let's say we select the option number 3, switch careers or industries. You can press enter, and when you do that, it will take you to the next one. Based on that, the set of questions comes up. So the challenge now, what's your biggest obstacle to professional growth right now? Lack of time or overwhelming work, unclear direction or goals, fear or lack of confidence, limited opportunity in current environment. Let's select this. Going to the strengths now. Which professional strengths do you want to leverage more? Technical expertise in problem solving, communication and influence, creativity and innovation, relationship building, and empathy. Let's select this and press enter now. So you can select multiple over here, and you can see it says enter to select, tab arrow keys to navigate. Now you can navigate to the next one. Learning style. What learning style works best for your professional development? Structured courses and certifications, hands-on project and experimentation, mentorship and observation, reading, research, and self-study. So you can select that, and then you are now submitting the answers. So for every topic you have selected something. What's your primary professional? What's your biggest obstacle? Which professional strengths do you want to leverage more? What learning style works best for your professional development? You can go ahead and submit the answers. So using such tools, you can come up with your own version of a new tool which can solve a specific scenario problem that you might be interested in solving. And that's where Claude Code really comes shining. And you can see that based on the first set of question answer session, it has now come up with the next set. So whatever I have entered as my response, based on that, it has further gone ahead, and now it is presenting me with the next set of question answer session. And this can go on based on how it interprets your responses. So if there are any questions that are remaining from Claude's perspective, it will again bring it up to you and you can answer them accordingly. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.